Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the right tool, install 7-zip, choose 64-bit if your system supports it, and enable shell integration so you can use right-click menus. Once done, locate the 7z file in Explorer and right-click it. Choose 7-zip, then open Archive to view contents before extracting. This lets you confirm files and sizes without committing disk space. Make sure to run the installer as an administrator to register context menus and file associations for smoother access. Now decide how to extract. Choose Extract To, and pick a dedicated folder to preserve structure and avoid overwrites. If the archive is encrypted, you'll be prompted for a password. Enter it carefully because incorrect passwords produce garbled output. You can also run test from the 7-zip menu to validate integrity before extracting large archives. For advanced control, use the command line 7zxarchive. 7z output folder to automate extraction and handle large batches reliably. After extraction, open a few files to confirm they are intact and functional. Make sure file timestamps and sizes match expectations. Once verified, remove any temporary or partially extracted folders to keep things tidy, and adjust file associations if you prefer another default program. If extraction fails, run test in 7-zip to identify corruption. If test reports errors, re-download the archive or try an alternative extractor to rule out tool-specific issues. This quick check usually resolves most problems without data loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.